Hello YouTubers, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of this light setup from the company Digi Power. In the past few weeks that I've been doing video reviews on YouTube, I have bumped myself into an issue with lightning, and I know that lightning wise, when editing a video and doing a video is very important. It plays a big role, just like audio and any other of the components to make a good video stream. And I am learning as I go along. It's not perfect, it's a trial and error, and practice makes perfect. So that is what I'm doing, guys. So I did a little bit of a I went shopping for one of these lights, and I ended up getting this model. I'm not really sure if I'm gonna keep it in the end, but I'm gonna try it out. I was looking at this model from Digi Power. This is the this model is the DP VL112, and the company Digi Power, they have different models out there. I'm gonna show you right now. They do have depending on the where I read the model, the DP model, where I read the DP VL112. 112 stands for 112 LEDs, and they have a variety. They have one for 120. The one that I got is $59.99. They do have one for 120 LEDs, so I would assume that model would be like in the something like DPVL 120. And they do have a high-end one, two high-end ones, one that is 180 LEDs, and another one that is multi RGB LEDs. So those ones are more on the expensive side. The one that I ended up getting is this one here, the streamer 112 LEDs, which is the model DPVL112. And as stated on the model, it is, on the specifications, it has 120 LEDs. I didn't want to go with a lower tier because it just wouldn't make sense, 50 LEDs for $19.99 and so on. So this is like the perfect balance in my view. I also looked into getting from B&H Photo and Video. I also looked into getting this other brand called Lume Cube Panel Mini, $47.96. It looks sleeker, smaller than the one from Digi Power, but in the end, I decided to get this one because I noticed that on the specifications of this Lume Cube Mini, it has less LEDs. I cannot find out right now for you guys. I believe but it's less than 112 LEDs, so it's not going to be as bright as the one that I got here. But the good thing about this Lume Cube is that it has a huge battery, and you can charge the battery as well. You can charge with the integrated battery. You can charge the your personal digital device, like your cell phone, if you're doing video editing and you need a little bit of more lightning, and etc. So anyways, I'm gonna begin by unboxing the light, and let's give it a go here. And I'm also going to connect it. So I did tell you the price. The price was $59.99 plus taxes, obviously about 7 or 8% taxes. So it came out, you can do the math there. This is the packaging. I'm gonna put the box aside, and this is the size of the box. I mean, the size of the camera. This is the size of the camera, the light. This is the size of the light. So this is what the light looks like. It has some sort of LCD in the back, so as to check the status of the battery and so on. I'm gonna set the light aside, and let me give you like a size comparison. Compared to my Canon G7 Mark III, this is how they look in comparison to each other's. So I would have assumed that the one that I was looking to get, the other one that I was looking to get from Lume Cube, is a little bit smaller. I did not know what the dimensions are exactly. but you have an idea what dimensions to look at, and this light is. So it comes with the accessory to mount it on a for cell phone. So here is like a for cell phone, you know, tripod grip, and it has the cold shoe mount here. But the good thing about it is that this would be oriented or for the purposes of connecting it to a cell phone. But the good thing is that it also brings the this little mount here, like a cold shoe mount, to mount it on cameras, and that is my intention, because I already got this rig, and as you can see I have a cold shoe mount, and this is where this would go, right in here, to have the perfect setup. So let me go ahead and peel off the protective cover on the screen. Oh, I thought it was out of some meshy material, but it's like a plastic material. So I'm gonna set that aside, and I'm gonna remove the seal of the, oh, it's not a seal, it's just like a, it was used like to pick it up to open it. So let me see where the power is. For charging, it has a micro USB charger, and I would assume this is where the mount goes. So this would go here, and this connects to the cold shoe mount. So I'm not really sure if I have to charge it first. No, it turned on. Oh my god, look at the brightness. It is bright, it is bright. And this is where you can adjust the brightness level. So in case you know, the maximum brightness is apparently 55,000, I mean 5,500K, but they say that you don't have to run it at 100%. So I'll find the perfect and it goes down to 3,100K kelvins. That's probably kelvins, the measurement scale, and the battery seems to have been at 100%. So I mean, that's great. That is good. The battery was charged on the light. So let me go ahead and turn it off, and I'm gonna connect it to my camera now. I'm going to connect it to the cold shoe mount, my Canon. See what's going on here. I'm not sure what's going on, so give me a moment. So here you can see, guys, I was able to you know, put it in place, and it is a nice setup. So let me use the tripod provided by that Canon grip, and let's see, let's see how this reacts. So here you can see the setup mounted on the Canon, my Canon grip, and let's see. There you go. So this is how the setup would look. So just let me test it out, and I am going to turn it on and see what's going on. So in the future, when you know, doing video reviews, I'm gonna have a better light setup, and my videos are gonna have a better quality. Don't mind the dust, guys. So this is how the light looks. I'm gonna point the light right at the camera, and man, it's bright. It's hitting my face right now. This thing is bright, and right now, if I'm not mistaken, it's only at 3,200 kelvins. So you have an idea how bright it gets. So it is very bright. And in addition, I'm going to include a recording video with the using the camera. So I'm gonna do like a panning around, and so you can have an idea. So here I am, guys, using the Digi Power 112 LED lights connected to my Canon G7 Mark III and a Canon tripod. And this is how the lighting setup looks, and how, you know, as far as brightness, right now it is set at 3200 kelvins, and I mean, the lighting is very bright, and this is going to help me with my future video composition of videos, and you know, it's going to bring a better quality of overall quality of my video takes. So thank you very much again, guys, for watching my videos. If you do like the type of content that I am releasing, do hit a like and subscribe as well. I want to wish you a great day, and thank you.